Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good.
Hello! Today we have been making our boxes of love for you all at home, and we are going to deliver them tomorrow. So what's inside the box? We have our clay, which is where you can follow our tutorial on how to make our little animals, and we are going to be using clay. So in your pack you will have some clay, and the most important thing to do first is we need to warm up the clay. So we use our hands and we squeeze and we squeeze and we push the clay together, and we knead the clay like this. So when it gets warm, it gets nice and soft. And then we take off a little bit of the clay of how much we would like, and we are going to make a little animal. We have a rabbit, we have a dog. These are what some of our teachers made earlier. So we are going to do a big circle first. We go like this, and we take it in our hands and roll it together like this to make it nice and round.
Hello, 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 how are you?
Something like this.
I'm good.
Next, once we have our ball, we are going to make some ears. So you have to decide which animal you would like to do. We already have a rabbit, a dog, and a smiley face. So maybe we should do some cat ears. Okay, so you will take your clay and pull a little bit off because we only want small ears, and make it flat on the board. After this, we want to use a slicing tool and cut the shape of our ears.
How are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
There we go, like a cat. So we are still making our ears.
Fantastic, cool. Come on, let's go, let's go.
We have our ears, and we're going to stick them on our head.
How are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Like so. Next we're going to make the cat's nose. So get your little bit of clay and push so it's nice and flat. Here we go. Push, 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 push like this. So it's nice and flat. And then we take our piece of equipment and we draw our nose. So I want my cat's nose to be a little triangle like this. So then we cut it out like this. Okay, so then you will need to shape it in your hands, like so.
Hello, how are you? I'm good.
So there is our cat's nose. Stick our cat's nose on our cat, like so. And then we take our piece of equipment and draw the mouth. Down like this. And do a little smile. Like so. Next we're going to make the eyes. So take a little bit more clay, and you need 2 little bits of clay the same size, and we're going to roll it up in a little ball like this. So now we have the 2 eyes. We are going to stick them on our cat. So number 1, you place the eye where you would like it. So I've decided that I would like them there, and we need to push them on so they stick. And then you will need to take your equipment and pop a little hole in each eye, like this. Okay, now it's time to draw the whiskers. So I've decided that I want 3 whiskers on each side. So I'm going to draw There's one whisker here, and we're going to do another one like this, and then a third one like this, and then the same on the other side. So we're going to go 1,
Hello, how are you?
2,
Hello,
and 3. There's our cat.
I'm great. I'm wonderful, fantastic, cool. Come on, let's go to Wonder School. Hello, how are you?
So what's inside the box? We have our clay, which is where you can follow our tutorial on how to make our little animals, and if you want, you can decorate them with these. So we have lots of fun things in this bag too, and they are going to go in the box. And I have just written a letter, and they will go in the box too. So you will get those tomorrow, and see you tomorrow. Bye.